Hello everyone, my name is Rinaria. I'm a clay artist. Well, I'm doing all the clay art with my own clay, meaning I make it at home. So this art, all these things I've done with paper clay, which I made at home by myself, and all these items, this normal dish which I took now this one rose, this normal dish again, and these two are my candle holders. Now that row, this one is a normal flower which I just randomly made, and that rose which I picked right now and this rose which I'm coloring right now are also a candle holder which I made from my own clay, which I made at home. That was paper clay, and this clay is really very nice, and you can use it the way you want. It's very nice to use because when it dries it sounds like a rock. If you bang it, it will not break. I have tried that with the candle, that round candle holder. If you want me to bring that video, then I can share it if you'll comment on and tell me that you all want it, then only I will share it. So yeah, I was coloring the rose candle holder. Well, I did not use it because I've made this as a gift for my boyfriend, so let's see whether he will like it or not. Okay, and I will also bring a video wherein I'm packing these candle holder, that round candle holder and these rose candle holder, and both the ones. Okay, I'm giving him as a gift, just randomly, a romantic gift and all type. That's it, nothing much. So I made it. Well, it was very easy to make this rose because I had seen one of the videos wherein they are making this rose using tissue paper. So that same way I tried with the clay, and yeah, I was able to make it was very nice to make, very enjoyable. So hence, if you want to see more like this videos, you need to subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos, and always comment on my videos if you want to know more. I will definitely answer your questions on comments, or maybe reply you back, and I will always try my best to reply you back. And do like my videos if you like them, and if you don't like them, you can dislike them, no problem. Do share your views, do share your reviews with me. Okay, well, thank you. Do subscribe my channel for more these videos. Well, I had finished both the flowers where I was just giving a red color topping on it, on the edges of the rose petals. So this way I finished that candle holder, rose candle holder. Well, it's looks beautiful, isn't it? Do tell me in the comments. Well, thank you. Hope you have a great day and enjoy making things along with me. Thank you. Well, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.